Good day, students. My name is Mr. Dixon Dio, one of the biology teachers in Gina School, a school located in the heartbeat of Lagos in Iowa. Now, today we'll be looking at unicellular organism. This is an SS1 class. Now, that's under its a biology topic in SS1. Now, the very first thing that captures your imagination here is the word unicellular. And then, because we're all familiar with the word organisms. Organisms could be whatever you have. It could be advanced, it could be primitive, it could be whatever. So when you see the word here, unicellular, it tells you the nature of the organism. Now, unicellular organisms are organisms that are just one cell. They don't have more than one cell. So uni meaning one. Meaning one. So those are unicellular organisms. Then a unicellular organism, or also known as a single-celled organism or a one-celled organism, is an organism that consists of a single cell, unlike a multicellular organism. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that your organism is broken down into two parts: a unicellular organism and a multicellular organism. So unicellular organism is the opposite of multicellular organism, or vice versa. That is, multicellular organism is the opposite of your unicellular organism. So in the case of multicellular organisms, what they are trying to tell you is that it's an organism that consists of more than, an organism that has more than one cell. It could have 50, it could have 20, it could have 30, it could have whatever you have. That consists of multiple cells. That's the word we've used there. Now, unicellular organisms fall into two general categories. The prokaryotic. Now, one thing is that in biology, the beauty of biology is the ability of the students to be able to pronounce the biological names. That is the sweetness of biology. Prokaryotic organisms and eukaryotic organisms. Now, prokaryotes include bacteria and archaea. Now, many eukaryotes are multicellular, but the group includes, this is the case study of where we are coming to. Many eukaryotic are multicellular, but the group includes protozoa, unicellular algae, and unicellular fungi. Those are the areas you are looking at. Now, in some pronunciation, you have this to be fungi. Now, let's pick this protozoa as a case study. So, protozoa is coming into this place, unicellular organisms. So, if you say they are one-celled organism, you could be looking at a number of organisms that you find under this particular phylum. So we'll be looking at phylum Protozoa. Now, Protozoa, again, look at unicellular organisms are thought to be the oldest form of life, with every protocell possibly imagined within the range of 3.8 to 4 billion years ago. So, for example, if I'm taking a case study of Protozoa, I could be looking at an amoeba proteus. I could be looking at, again, I repeat, an amoeba proteus. That is, one of them will be represented. So if I look at amoeba, then I could pick also another protozoa that has both plants and animal-like features in common. So I could pick a Chlamydomonas rivalis, or I pick an Iguana viridis. Why did I pick these organisms as unicellular organisms? Because they have both plants and animal-like characteristics or features. In the course of our lesson, we will get to understand this better. Then unicellular organisms are thought to be the oldest, which I've given to you. So imagine within this year you have it. Now let's look at our unicellular organism. You have unicellular organism here. Look at the picture you have there. From this point, you look at this picture and you are able to look at it very well. That what do you have? That's amoeba and Chlamydomonas rivalis. So if you are looking at this, you have the Valonia ventricosa. Now, Valonia ventricosa here is a species of alga. Now, look at the word they use here. They use alga, meaning singular. So, if you add an E to this, it becomes algae. It becomes the plural form. With a diameter that is from here to wherever you have it. That's a diameter. With a diameter that ranges typically from 1 to 4 centimeters, which is about 0.39 to 1.57 inches, which you are looking at. So from whatever measurement you are going to take it from, is among the largest unicellular organisms. So you are picking an algae, and I don't know. Now, although some prokaryotes live in colonies, when we are talking about colonies, they are not specialized cells with differing functions. Understand what this place is talking about. He said, although some prokaryotes live in colonies, like we have, but they are not specialized cells with different functions. What it means is that they are not specialized cells. When we talk about specialized cells, you'll be talking about a multicellular organism. So pick a multicellular organism, you look at it. Then pick a unicellular organism, look at how that thing is. Then these organisms live together, and each cell must carry out all life processes to survive. So all life processes of I must grow, I must eat, I must respire, I must move, I must be able to excrete. That is following the simple code of Mr. Niger Card. So as an organism, you will be able to move from one place to another in search of mate, food, shelter, and water. So if you're also doing that, that means that organism in question must, is not a should, is an MUST thing, must be able to move within the time frame to accommodate that particular thing so they're able to survive in its natural habitat. So in contrast, that's the difference. Even the simplest multicellular organisms have cells that depend on each other to survive. So the cells, they have it, they need to survive, they must have this. They need to survive, they must have that, so that they need to survive in the environment. Take, for example, the Tilapia natalensis. The Tilapia natalensis can only survive in water because it has fins to swim in water. So if you take, for example, Mr. Dixon, and you tell Mr. Dixon, we want you to dive into the pool now, we want you to be living permanently in the pool. It's not possible. There is no how Mr. Dixon can survive in the pool because I am a mammal. I am a homoiothermic organism. So I need to breathe on land with my pulmonary organs, that's my lungs. So the fish can survive in water. So I can survive in water. So the same thing goes to the fish. You can't bring the fish on land and say, fish, oh yeah, survive on land, start dancing and willow, and stay here for 2 hours. The fish will definitely give up. Now, most multicellular organisms have a unique multicellular life cycle stage. What do we mean by that? Most multicellular organisms, for example, if you pick a typical multicellular organism, like let's say human beings, for example, or you pick the phylum of apes, birds, then you said multicellular will have a unicellular life cycle. Gametes, that is the sex cells. Sex cells are gametes that organisms use to reproduce. For example, are reproductive unicells for multicellular organisms. So the male gamete, the spermatozoa, and the female gamete, the ovum that are released. Are you getting it? That's what I'm trying to tell you here. That those gametes are reproductive unicells. So without them, you can't do anything. Look at it. Additionally, multicellularity appears to have evolved independently many times in the history of time. That was the reason why you could have the likes of the evolution theory that was put forward by Charles Darwin. I hope I'm communicating. Now, you could see that after some times, Jean-Claude Lamarck was able to counter it. Some other people that worked under that the evolution theory could not work as a result of X, Y, Z. Are you getting it now? And some people were able to put in some things. You are looking at from the next see something. Some organisms are partially unicellular, like Dicotyledonium discontinuum. That's what you have there. Look, if you are looking at this other one, you have that. Additional unicellular organisms could be multicellulate. In this case, that's why I said biology has a lot of terminology. This thing is coined from the family when Carolus Linus was naming unicellular organisms. What he did was that there are rules in which you name this organism. This organism, now look at it here, it ends with a E. So I can have CAE, CE, family, and the rest of them. So if it's going to end in a class, it's going to end in TA, ta. That's what I'm talking about. Now, like Colepa plasmodium, you could see it from this place. And Mysogastria. So what they're trying to tell you here is that you have the likes of multicellular organisms and unicellular organisms that are coming in from that point. But the point we are trying to raise here is that some organisms are partial. So when they are partial unicellular organisms, that means they have some parts, some features of unicellular organisms, and they also have some functions or part features of multicellular organisms. So when you bring them together, like in the Dicotyledonium discontinuum, you have it here, then you have that there's a relationship that is linking this and linking this other one. So in our next class, we'll be looking at Paramecium caudatum as a protozoan. We'll also be looking at an amoeba proteus. An amoeba proteus in that sense is that we're going to dissect an amoeba proteus. What class, where does it belong to, what does it use in moving, what does it feed on, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to implore you that you go and read up more on Paramecium caudatum and Paramecium aurelia for our next class. These are unicellular organisms. Thank you for watching.